cinnamon, honey, and water weight loss drink. The cinnamon, honey, and water weight loss drink has long been used to lose extra pounds. The reason why it has become so popular is because it is natural, inexpensive, and simple. Furthermore, each of the ingredients is backed by scientific studies as a weight loss aid. This video will first teach you the effects and scientific studies of why honey, cinnamon, and water can help you lose weight. Then the latter part of the video is the actual recipe. Don't miss the recipe part. It is important that you know how it is done for a maximum weight loss. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has plenty of health benefits, but the most significant benefit to weight loss is its ability to keep blood sugar levels stable. When blood sugar is consistently high, the body tends to store excess fat. Therefore, the effect of cinnamon can be very useful in losing weight. In a collaborative study among researchers from Pakistan's NWFP Agricultural University and Hyderabad Medical Complex and Maryland's Beltsville Human Nutrition Research Center, cinnamon was proven to contain compounds that are effective in glucose stabilization. Subsequent studies by the researcher from Maryland's Beltsville Human Nutrition Research Center further proved how chromium and polyphenols in cinnamon help encourage insulin sensitivity in the body and therefore aids in weight loss. Honey. Among honey's many health benefits is as a great sugar substitute because it ranks lower in the glycemic index. However, it isn't just a good sweetener. It helps lower blood glucose levels, which in turn keeps the body from unnecessarily storing fat. This was proven by a study led by researchers from Egypt's National Institute of Diabetes and Ain Shams University. Water. Water has been known to aid in weight loss because it helps you feel fuller faster. But water does much more than this. In a study conducted by researchers at Virginia's Tech's Department of Human Nutrition, water was found to increase calories burned even while resting. In another study led by researchers at California's Children's Hospital Oakland Research Institute, overweight women were made to drink more water than they usually do. Throughout 12 months, with only water consumption changed in their lifestyle, the participants lost an average of 4.4 pounds. How to use the cinnamon, honey, and water weight loss drink. First, take half a cup of honey and put it in a glass jar. Then add 6 teaspoons of cinnamon. Mix them together until they are combined very well. First thing in the morning, add a teaspoon of the cinnamon-honey mixture to a cup of hot water. Sip this slowly, and don't take anything for at least 30 minutes after you finish the cup. Before you go to bed in the evening, drink another cup. You can't expect to lose large amounts of fat doing this, but the cinnamon, honey, and water weight loss drink will provide some benefits. Try doing this while keeping a balanced diet and a regular exercise routine, and you'll be able to lose all your excess weight very quickly. Here are study references. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.